Hello everyone. Recently, one of my training, a question or a issue has come where uh, the user has made the check-in using the UI, okay, onto the remote branch, and the local branch was not having that changes reflected. So when he wanted to try the push the code, it was giving an error message to him. So first I will show you the issue, what user did the mistake. What he did it, this is a remote branch onto the GitHub. He went ahead and suppose he created a file. Okay, I'll just give the file a random name ABC, just entry some entry here, and I'm committing it now. Okay, so this changes has done onto the remote branch onto the GitHub. Okay, now let's go here and this is the uh, if I show you git remote, this is the branch which is mapped. Okay, git config, you can see uh, test 123 is the remote branch from the local git repository. This is the branch which is mapped it. This is the repository and this is the branch. Okay. Now I'll just go and touch the git add the git commit hyphen m adding. Till here everything is fine because I was working onto the local repository. Now I want to push it. Git push remote main. Okay. Sorry. Git push origin main. Okay, I do that thing, it will give me an error message because uh, because of the remote branch has a further update which has not reflected to my local git repository, and that's where it is not allowing us. Here only if you go to the github.com, you'll find it out. There is a command git pull hyphen hyphen dbase. What it definition says, incorporate changes from the remote repository into the current directory. If if the current branch is behind the remote branch, then by default it will fast forward the current branch to match with the remote. So what you need to run it, git pull hyphen hyphen rebase. Okay, we'll run that thing, git pull hyphen hyphen rebase. Okay, let's see. So now you see that particular file which I created it is reflected. Now if I do git push origin main, it will work. So remember, any changes which has done onto the remote branch on, then if it is not reflected onto your local branch, local git repository branch, then you should use this command to address that issue. This is the troubleshooting mechanism to address this kind of such issues. Thank you everyone, thanks for joining. It's just a small tip session.